Sit in the comfortable position and we will be doing the neck stretching. Stretch your neck up, down, up, down. इसको हम 5 बार करेंगे. जितनी बार भी हम स्ट्रेच करें, चाहे ऊपर हो या नीचे हो, स्ट्रेच टू द मैक्सिमम. Continue doing it and then left, right, look left side and right side. Continue for 5 times. Now tilt your neck to the left side and right side, left side, right side. Do it for 5 times. Continue doing it, then we will rotate our head from clockwise to anti-clockwise. Rotate 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. अब हम wrist rotation करेंगे 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. And now stretch your fingers upside and down on both of your hands. Now relax and we will be doing the shoulder rotation. Clockwise 10 times, anti-clockwise 10 times. Continue doing it. Slowly stretch all the 4 sides. Now stretch your hand from the back. Hold your elbow and stretch as much as you can. Relax and we will be doing the twisting. Stretch as much as you can. Look back side and try to hold for a few seconds. Keep doing each side 5 times. Now open your legs and we will be doing the side bending. Bend to the left side and right side. Go forward as much as you can. Keep doing each side 10 times. We will be doing the Chakrasana. Rotate and stretch as much as you can. Clockwise 10 times, anti-clockwise 10 times. रिलैक्स. अब हम बटरफ्लाई पोजीशन में आ जाएंगे. कीप डूइंग फॉर 1 मिनट. आफ्टर 1 मिनट ट्राई टू बेंड फॉरवर्ड एंड स्ट्रेच एज मच एज यू कैन. अगर आप पूरा नीचे तक नहीं बेंड हो पा रहे तो आपकी जो फीट्स है उसको थोड़ा सा आगे शिफ्ट कीजिए और ट्राई टू बेंड एंड रिलैक्स. नाउ कम टू टेबल टॉप पोजीशन. वी विल बी डूइंग द कैट एंड काउ स्ट्रेचिंग. Continue doing it. Now stretch your hands like this on both of the sides and then relax. Now lift yourself from Vajrasana. Sit in the Vajrasana and up. Sit up. Up, down. Continue for 10 to 15 times. And from here go to Dhanurasana and hold for a few seconds. Release and relax and sit in the child pose for a few seconds. Normal your breathing. Breathe in and breathe out.